My parents are a little bit older. My dad is 92, my mom is 82, and they live at their own home. And my dad actually said to me once, he said, I know I'm not supposed to ask this, but I just want to stay inside my home until I die. And I took it seriously, and it's something that I've just always wanted to do because of that. My name is Tobias Cowan. I'm the owner, operator of Lighthouse Living Services. It is a business that works with senior citizens, adults, keeping them independent in their homes. That's my passion. I get to help people be independent and stay independent as long as they're able. We provide services where people can come in and cook, clean, whatever they need. Sometimes it's helping people get dressed. Sometimes it's bathing. Sometimes it's taking care of their pets. It's whatever they need that helps them remain at home. Every situation that comes to us is unique, and sometimes we have to use different strategies to make sure that an individual is successful in their situation. As a business owner, I have had an eye out for customer service because so much in the last couple of years of customer service has been lost. I think in some aspects it's non-existent. John actually offers a little bit different approach to that. He approaches it with personal information, personal care. He actually cares about you as an individual. He's not just interested in my wallet or how much he's going to get paid. He wants to do what's right for me, and that's what I appreciate. I started this business in 1999 as a sole proprietor. In 2000, I was put in contact with John to talk about getting incorporated, which I did. At that time, I had less than 10 employees. As a sole proprietor, I didn't realize that I would have so many liabilities. For instance, employees, if employees do something wrong, I'm liable. If something happens while we're working, I'm liable. And in this day and age, there's so many frivolous lawsuits. People are looking to get money from someone by hook or by crook. Having a corporation that John set me up with gives me that protection that I need, that I didn't even know I needed until I started my business. Over the years, over the 14 years that I've known John, we've grown to over 100 employees, over 9 locations in Northern and Central California, and John has been there every step of the way. John has actually proved himself to be a very reliable person and a very reliable attorney, both being very important. Bringing his personality into it and his ability to find out what you really need is actually what I like about John. With the revenue that I earned from my company, John was able to show me different things I need to do. I actually attended a free class that he offered where he explained different things about estate planning, the different levels of estate planning that one might need. And I actually realized that I needed to do it, not only for the protection of my business, but for the protection of my personal assets and also where I want things to go when I pass. With completing my estate planning with John, it's actually taken a lot of worries off of my shoulders. I was always worried what would happen if something were to happen to me. What would happen to my business, what would happen to my personal assets, to my loved ones. John has helped set that up. And what that's done is I can actually enjoy things a little bit more. I can go out and do a little bit more knowing that things are taken care of. It's not nagging me day to day, oh gosh, what if this happens, what if that happens? Those questions have been addressed by John and they've been answered and they've been taken care of. I've actually referred my sister and other people to go to John. I think that John is the guy for them because John's going to look out for what they need individually. It's not just they get the same plan that everyone else gets. It's an individual specific plan for each individual. And that's what I like about him.